What's going on, guys? It's Raven here, bringing you another DIY on the Chevy Spark. We got the rear wiper that we're going to be replacing. Got it here. GM part number is going to be 953-913-71. And all you've got to do is take it and hold here and push down on the wiper itself. And it's just a little stuck, but we've got it. And I took this off just that way I didn't break the I mean, it just comes off. It's simple clip in and whatnot, but we've got the new one here. I said this one's really quick video for you guys on this one. This is long overdue. I was just waiting to make a video for it as well. Goes in that same way, and it's easier to put it on than it is to take it off. You just grab and squeeze it towards, and it's done. Brand new wiper blade replaced on a 2019 Spark. This is the same for the 2016 to 2022 models. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Later.